Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be following a drag queen's makeup tutorial. We're just going to go ahead and jump into it. I hope you enjoy the video. So today I'm going to be following Manila Luzon's makeup tutorial. I already did my eyebrows, so that'll be the first video. If you haven't seen it already, it'll be linked at the end of the video, but I do show you how I cover my eyebrows if you want to see that. But we're going to skip over that part and then we'll go straight into foundation it looks like.
Doesn't have to match your skin tone, I've learned. Okay. As long as it's the color you want your face to look like at the end of the day when you finish your makeup.
Okay, so she put her foundation on, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put it all over the face, and then we will continue. I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the color Fest 620.
It's delicious.
Okay, I'm done with foundation, so we're going to move on to highlight. It looks like she went in with a really light concealer, like literally a white color concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and get that from my makeup case. I'll be right back.
I am getting old, so I'm starting to get jowly. It's just gross to hear, but I just, haven't gone. Oh my god, I'm still cutting myself. Wow. So I put a dot here and a dot here. Lightens the color, so from a distance it doesn't look so like shadowy. And you just blend that in, blend that in, blend that in. You want to like bring out the lighter parts of your face will look more forward, and the darker parts will look more back. So you can actually change the way your face looks, your bone structure of your face, by what you choose to highlight and what you choose to contour. I use a regular pan stick that's like a really light color, and they kind of just blend together. There we go.
We'll see what she does next.
Now I take a dark contour and I paint over where the darker parts of my face should be. Okay, so I usually start here at the top, which will round my forehead a little bit. So I like to bring my cheekbone nice far down here so it looks like I have a big round cheek, because in real life I'm a dude and I have high cheekbones, so there's like a little bit of hollowness here. So I like to like fatten up my cheek, without surgery. See? Look at that big old cheek right there. Then I round off my jawline here. My eyes here. That's where I'm going to bring my eyes back. And then nose contour.
Okay. She takes her contour around her forehead, cheekbones, nose, chin, and sides of the eyes. I'm going to take a clean sponge and just try to blend that out as best as I can. Okay, so when it comes to blending this stuff out, I feel like this is as good as it's going to get. I'm not good at cream contouring, so we're going to go ahead and move on. Hopefully that is blended enough. Oh, she puts it in her crease!
This is like really good lighting. Like when the lighting is really good, it shows everything. If you still look like in good lighting, it probably means when you're in bad lighting, you look amazing. All my creams are blended and whatever, I'm just going to set it.
Okay, so after I just throw some contour
now
in my
face
crease.
Is a little bit too light, so I go back in to some contour shadow, and I just kind of reinforce what I did with the creams.
Okay, cool.
And because they're doing it with a dry brush, it blends out really nicely.
Reinforces the contour colors. So I guess I'll just use the same sponge as before, and I will just go ham sandwich on the powder. Oh, you know what? I don't have contours with me. I'm gonna go ahead and use these eyeshadows in here because I do not want to get up. I'm just gonna go ahead and place that where I put the cream contours. I'm actually going to bake the sides of my nose because it doesn't look as blended as I want it to. I know once you like put down the cream product, like it pretty much doesn't move, but we're gonna try to make it work.
She's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Now I want to put some blush because it just puts a little color in your skin. Your skin is supposed to be transparent, a little bit translucent, and so you can kind of see through it if you look real closely. Like the blood running through your cheeks, because oh my gosh, it's so cold in here. You just...
Okay, see, I already baked, so I can skip that part, but again, didn't bring blush, so I'm going to use that like shimmery pink shade in the James Charles palette. The one he says to use for blush, I'm going to go ahead and just use that one. And bring some color in my cheeks because I'm so cold.
Now for eyes. Oh, the windows to the soul. I'm going to put a big heavy layer of loose powder under my eye in case anything falls. I have...
Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a layer of powder. Oh my god, dude. I'm already so dry and I'm just like layering on that powder. I cannot wait to spray my face with setting spray.
And I love this one. It's like my perfect size for my crease. And she just puts a nice brown crease in my eye every single time.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix two different like orangey browns. And it looks like she puts the makeup pretty high up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing. Bring it in the hollow of the eye. Take it outward. She wings it out, so I'm gonna wing it out really quick. I'm gonna do the same for the other eye, and then we will continue.
And this brown, this dark brown is like the perfect, like muddy, like dirty brush color. It's like almost purple, it's brown, it's got a little bit of a gold fleck in it. It's like everything. Alright, so I'm gonna
Okay, she's putting it high.
My crease, like right there.
Okay.
I'm a white woman with well-defined creases in her eyelids. God, she's doing so beautiful, guys. She's so pretty. So I got my black here. I am going to...
Love it. Okay, so we're going to be drawing in our own crease. Oh, what a ball.
I'm going to bring the bottom of my eye.
Okay, cute. Alright, so we're going to be drawing in our own crease. I'm going to take a really small tapered brush. So I'm going to be taking the B Bella NG334 brush. It reminds me of the Morphe M507 brush. Okay, cool. I feel like this is as good as we're gonna get, so I'm gonna move on to the next step in the eyes. Okay, so my camera ran out of storage, don't know where it left off. These wings are atrocious.
So I'll start in the corner here. There. Just to make my mouth a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Come down here to where my soul patch is.
Okay. She's coming out here. And down here. I'm not lying. Okay. Do you see that?
I'm gonna get my Cupid's bow.
I look sad.
This month.
Okay, it's
You
pretty
like
pinky.
littles,
I'm gonna put a liquid lipstick.
highlight.
Dude, I look fucking nuts. Okay. You know, Manila, you did me so wrong. You did me so dirty. Wow. Okay, so I really tried to fix this lipstick situation, but we're gonna move on because I've been working on them for what seems like 20 minutes.
Glue.
Actually,
Just
spray my
do
face.
as I say, not what I do, guys. I like to reuse lashes because when you peel them off, they kind of retain the shape of your actual eye that they were on your eye all night. And I'm trying to pull my eyes up like this, so I have to make sure to set them not too far back, because if they like hang out like that, it makes you look like your eyes are turned down. So you want to put them like that. I'm just going to clean off the makeup from where she's going to be glued down.
Okay, so I don't have a wig. I'm not committed enough. But I'm just gonna pop on these lashes and I will come back for the reveal. Alright guys, and that is it. I don't know how I feel about this makeup look. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. Be nice, cut some slack. I've never done this before. But yeah, I don't think I look like Manila Luzon at all. But the makeup I like. I just need to practice a lot more. I hope you guys enjoyed this little experience that I had. If you want more things that have to do with drag on my channel, just let me know. I love the drag community. I love what it stands for, and I love their makeup. That's kind of where we got our makeup trends from, so I would love to incorporate that into my channel if you guys would like to see that. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Girl for me, say girl for me, girl for me, say girl for me, girl for me, and now snap for me, snap for me.